Hello everyone and welcome to the funny world of personal computers. Today we are going to meet a very interesting family, the PC family. Each member of this family has a different personality, a different job, and a different way of helping people. Some of them live on office desks and work very hard every day. Some love to travel in backpacks and go everywhere with their owners. Some are small but very smart, and others are powerful machines that can handle big and heavy tasks. But today, instead of talking about them myself, I will let them introduce themselves. So get ready to meet the members of the personal computers family. Let's start with our first character. Here comes the desktop PC. Hello everyone, I am Desktop PC, the classic member of the personal computers family. You'll usually find me sitting proudly on office desks, in homes, schools, and computer labs. I may not travel much, but that's because I'm busy doing serious work. Let me quickly introduce my team. My main external parts are the computer case, a monitor, a keyboard for typing, and a mouse to move around and click things. Inside my case, there is also an amazing crew working together. There is the CPU, which is my brain, the RAM, which helps me think fast, the storage drive where I keep files and programs, the motherboard that connects all my parts together, and the power supply that gives my energy to everyone. And because I work hard, I also have cooling fans inside my case to keep everything nice and cool. They make sure my parts don't get too hot while I'm working. If you look at my front panel, you will usually find the power button, USB ports, and sometimes audio jacks for headphones or microphones. On my back panel, you will find many connections like monitor ports, network cable ports, USB ports, and other connectors that allow me to talk to other devices. I'm strong, reliable, and always ready to help with documents, emails, browsing the internet, and many everyday tasks. Need a big screen and a comfortable keyboard? That's my specialty. And remember, while others like to move around, I'm the one who keeps the desk under control. Hello everyone, I'm Workstation, the powerful professional of the personal computers family. At first glance, I may look a little like my cousin, Desktop PC, but don't let that fool you. I'm built for serious and heavy work. You will usually find me in places like engineering offices, design studios, research labels, and movie production companies. My job is to handle tasks that require a lot of computing power. Inside my case, I have a very strong team. My CPU is extremely powerful. Sometimes I even have more than one processor working together. I also have large amounts of RAM so I can handle complex calculations and large projects without slowing down. I often come with a professional graphics card which helps with 3D design, video editing, scientific simulations, and animations. Of course, I also have fast storage drives to save huge project files. Just like my desktop cousin, I have cooling fans to keep everything running smoothly, and many ports on my back panel to connect monitors and other professional equipment. So when the job is too heavy for a normal computer, that's when people call me. Because in the PC family, I'm the one who gets the toughest jobs done. Hey everyone, I'm Gaming PC, the most energetic and colorful member of the personal computers family. While my cousins focus on office work or engineering projects, my world is full of games, adventures, and high-speed action. Just like Desktop PC, I live on a desk. But I usually look so much cooler. My case often has RGB lights, transparent panels, and stylish designs that make me stand out. Inside my case, I have some very powerful parts. My CPU is fast, my RAM is large, and my graphics card is extremely powerful. The GPU is my secret weapon because it creates the beautiful game graphics, fast motion, and realistic world that gamers love. Since games can push my hardware very hard, I also have strong cooling systems like multiple cooling fans or sometimes even liquid cooling to keep everything running smoothly. On my front and back panels, you'll find USB ports for gaming keyboards, mice, headsets, and controllers, plus ports to connect large, high-resolution monitors. So if you love speed, graphics, and exciting virtual worlds, I'm the perfect computer for you. Because in the PC family, I'm the one who brings the fun and action. Hello everyone, I'm Laptop, the traveler of the personal computers family. Unlike my cousins who like to stay on desks, I love to move around. You can take me to the office, to school, to a coffee shop, or even on an airplane. Just fold me, put me in your bag, and I'm ready to go. What makes me special is that all my main parts are built into one portable device. I have a screen, a keyboard, a touchpad, and a battery so I can work even when I'm not plugged into electricity. Inside my slim body, I still have the important components: a CPU as my brain, RAM to help me work quickly, and a storage drive to keep files and programs. Because I am compact, my cooling system is generally smaller, but I still have fans inside to keep my components from getting too hot. Along my side panels, you'll find useful ports like USB ports, a charging port, and audio jacks, and sometimes video ports to connect other devices or external monitors. So if you need a computer that can work anywhere and travel everywhere, I'm your best companion, because in the PC family, I'm the one who's always ready to go. Hello guys, I'm the 2-in-1 PC, the flexible member of the personal computers family. Why am I called 2-in-1? Because I can be two devices in one. I can work like a laptop when you need a keyboard. I can also become a tablet when you want to use a touch screen. Some of my cousins can fold their screens all the way back, and others can detach the keyboard completely. Either way, I love switching roles depending on what you need. Just like laptop, I have many important parts built inside my slim body. A CPU as my brain, RAM to help me work smoothly, and a storage drive for files and programs. Of course, I also have a touchscreen display which lets you tap, swipe, and even draw with a digital pen. To keep everything running well, I also have a small cooling system inside. And along my sides, you will find USB ports, charging ports, and sometimes video connectors. So when people want a computer that is both productive and fun to use, they usually call me. Because in the PC family, I'm the one who loves to change and adapt. Hi everyone, I am Tablet, the light and touch-friendly member of the personal computers family. Unlike some of my bigger cousins, I don't need a keyboard or a mouse to work. My touch screen is my main way of communicating with you. Just tap, swipe, or pinch, and I understand what you want to do. I'm thin, light, and very portable, so people love taking me everywhere. To school, to meetings, on the couch, or even while traveling. Inside my slim body, I still have important components working together. A processor that acts as my brain, a RAM to help me run apps smoothly, and storage to keep photos, videos, and files. I also have a battery that lets me work for many hours without needing a power cable, and cameras that allow you to take photos, join video calls, or scan documents. Along my sides, you'll usually find a charging port, buttons for power and volume, and sometimes connectors for accessories like a keyboard or a digital pen. So when people want something simple, portable, and easy to use with just their fingers, I'm the perfect choice because in the PC family, I'm the one who loves the power of touch. Hello everyone, I'm Mini PC, the tiny but clever member of the personal computers family. When people first see me, they often say, "Wow, you're so small." And it's true. I'm much smaller than a traditional desktop PC, but don't underestimate me. I can still do many useful tasks. Even though my body is compact, inside I still have the most important components a CPU as my brain, RAM to help me work smoothly, and a storage drive for files and programs. Because I'm small, I usually use efficient components that don't produce too much heat. I may have a small cooling fan or sometimes even silent cooling, but on my sides and back, you will find several USB ports, video ports to connect monitors, network ports, and audio connectors. Just add a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse, and I'm ready to work like a full-on computer. People often use me in offices, home entertainment systems, digital kiosks, or small workspaces where a big computer case is not necessary. So if you want a computer that is small, quiet, and space-saving, I'm the perfect choice. Because in the PC family, I'm the one who proves that great things can come in small packages. And there you have it. These are the amazing members of the personal computers family. From the reliable desktop PC to the powerful workstation, the exciting gaming PC, the always traveling laptop, the flexible 2-in-1, the touch-friendly tablet, and the tiny but smart mini PC. Each one has its own personality, strengths, and special job. But together they make up the wonderful world of personal computers that help us work, learn, create, and have fun every single day. We hope you enjoyed this little tour through the funny world of personal computers. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends so more people can meet the PC family. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure in the world of technology. Bye.